Hi, my name is Sandra Handysides. I'm a nurse practitioner at GTB Clinic. I'm going to walk you through today what it's like to go to a COVID-19 vaccine clinic here. We do offer vaccine clinics every Wednesday at the Medicine Lodge, and we rotate every Tuesday to different satellite sites. So no matter where you are, hopefully we can make something that works for you. What to expect at a vaccine clinic appointment? First of all, there is some paperwork involved. We do have a consent form for you to fill out and some screening questions. We'll also give you the information packet for the vaccine that you will receive. We do have a little bit of tips and tricks for if you really just don't like vaccines, you don't like getting shot, or if it's a little one, we do have some distractions and some strategies to use to make this a simple process or as simple as possible. At the top here, you'll see that little bee that's called Buzzy, and that's our little pal that we like to use, especially with the kiddos. It's a little vibrating bee that when you place on the arm or the site of the injection before the vaccine is given, it gives a little bit of almost numbness to that area or distraction to the nerves, so it is less painful. Plus it's just kind of a little cheery and a good distraction for the kids. And then we also ask that you wait 15 minutes after your vaccination is received before you can leave. And these are the different kinds of sites that you might receive your vaccination at. First is the booth that we have set up in the Medicine Lodge conference room. Instead of doing these huge groups at the Strong Heart Center like at the beginning of the pandemic, we are now making individual appointments, and we do this in the conference room of the Medicine Lodge. If it's a really nice day out, we also like to just do drive-ups at our medical trailer, as you see on the right there. And then if it's at a satellite site, we typically use the common room, or again, if it's nice, we'd like to do a drive-through in one of the testing sheds. A little bit of information about boosters. Right now, if you have had your first booster, for the most part, that means that you're up to date. If you're over 50 years old or you have another reason that you're high risk, then a second booster is recommended. Boosters are also recommended now for kids 5 and up. Those are the children who started to be eligible to be vaccinated back in November and December. So they are due for a booster right now. And especially with the summer and our increase in cases, we are really encouraging booster doses. That's just a second layer on top of the immunity they already acquired with their first vaccination. And then now also we have the what we call tender age vaccination, which is the vaccines that are approved for 6 months to 5 years. We have both Moderna and Pfizer available, and they are both recommended under emergency use authorization for this age group. The important thing to remember is we do have a vaccine call line. This is just a messaging call line. So what that means is when you call this number, the extension is 7475, it's going to ask you to leave a message. So this is just a message line. You leave your information, your name, your phone number, and what you're looking for, whether it's a booster appointment, a first vaccine appointment, or if you have questions about vaccines. Leave that information on that message and we will return your call. Our goal is within 24 hours of your message, and we can schedule you or answer your questions at that time. Just as a side note, please don't use this vaccine call line message to schedule anything else that might be more urgent, like testing or treatment. This is just for vaccination. We also have Novavax available now, and so if you have not received any kind of vaccination for COVID-19 yet, Novavax is the newer vaccine created with a different technology. It is not the mRNA technology. It is more like traditional vaccines. We do have that available. It is a 2-dose series as well. So please call our call line. That's 231-534-7475. If you are interested in that, we do have it available now. And as we've had this whole time, we also have Pfizer and Moderna for all ages 6 months and older. If you want to know whether you are up to date on your vaccine status, you can ask your primary care provider to look you up in the Michigan registry, or we're happy to do that as well. So just give us a call. Thank you so much.